In the last video, I talked about how you can create aliases for commands in Amilious Console using the alias attribute. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide a command from the help or the suggestion list. But first, to get started, we're going to go ahead and create a new command. So I'm going to call it public void hello world. And we need a command context. And this command is just going to do something simple. It's going to write to the console and say hello world. Okay, we need to add a command attribute, and we're going to call this maybe hello, a test command. Okay, if I go ahead and save this and jump over to Unity and run, there's two places where we should see this command. So first is if we type in help, and you will see here under YouTube tests, since we are building this in a class that has the YouTube test group attribute, we will find this command hello. And if we start typing in the command, we type in the command group space and type in the command name, it shows up there, and I can go ahead and execute the command. You see hello world. But what if we don't want to see that command? If we want to be a little more secretive, well, that's what this attribute is for. And the attribute we need here is the no help attribute. So I can simply add the no help attribute, jump back over into Unity, hit run, and that should be it. Go ahead and type in help. You can see the hello command does not show up under YouTube tests anymore. If I start to type the command, you won't see anything unless I type the entire command, hello. Then it will show up and it can still be executed. That's it for this video. In the next video, I will talk about conditional command attributes.